Hi, my name is Dr. Hal Jeter. I am a general practice dentist in Southern Ohio, and we began using StellaLife products probably over a year ago and have had nothing but good feedback from our patients. We like it for several reasons. One, it's all natural ingredients. It's something that makes a difference to a lot of us on staff, to our patients as well. Secondly, it works, and I can quote one patient especially who was having some post-op pain with a dry socket. Traditional things that we would use were not working. We gave him some StellaLife to use, and he applied it as directed. And his words to me when he reported back were, "This stuff is gold." It relieved his pain. It didn't numb, but it just relieved the pain that he was feeling, and he was so thankful for that. Procedures that we do in our office are extractions. It's either simple or surgical. We are getting ready to start placing implants in our practice, and having been placing some implants with the Midwest Implant Institute, we definitely use StellaLife products with each one of those patients. The recovery kit has worked well in managing post-op pain. We really appreciate the antimicrobial properties. We totally appreciate now knowing that it is very effective against the coronavirus. And so it's just something that we highly recommend to our patients and now to our colleagues.